I have been looking forward for a day like this to talk about this. There are so many bad players on the internet and also on YouTube, all right, who may come to your DM and tell you that they are search engine optimization expert, SEO, that they will help your channel to grow and get many subscribers and many views within a short time. So now I want to address it so that somebody somewhere out there will not fall prey. Okay? Just stay to the end because at the end I will explain how these guys operate and also give you tips on how you can rank your channel. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to pay anybody that claims to be SEO expert. All right? You don't. They are just after their own money. So for some time now, for the past 3 months, yes, there are some guys and ladies involved as well. They'll come to my Facebook inbox and they'll start sending me mail that they are this. Some claim to be from Bangladesh, many of them, and few from India. So they will tell you that they are experts in SEO. They detected that your channel is not doing well, it's not getting much views, it's not getting much subscribers, and they want to help you to grow that, to grow your subscribers. And they want to help you to grow your subscribers and your watch time and your views. So listen, they're not doing that. At the initial stage, they will not tell you that they're doing that for a price. That is a business strategy, marketing strategy. They want to get your attention first. All right. Before they will tell you, okay, this is how much I will use for this. But let me tell you something. Some of these guys you see there, if they come to your DM, just ignore them. Because there are some reasons why I say so. When your channel was less than 50 subscribers, was less than 500 subscribers, was less than 700 subscribers, they did not come to you. Now they observed that your channel is now more than 1,000 subscribers and close to monetization. Then they come to you to tell you that they are this, that, they are expert in that. There is no expertise there. Yes, there is no expertise. If they are really experts, what happened when your channel was very low? When it was just 3 months old, it's not getting anything. Now they said that okay, there is potential that this guy is going to make more money in future, and they come to you to tell you they are this, that to get your attention. Ignore them because there are reasons, there are dangers in that. First, if you said okay, if it's okay, let's do it. How do you do that? First, they will tell you they will work on the channel, guide you on how to have some tags at the back end of your YouTube channel that will make your channel to rank. And they will tell you they'll give you subscribers. Listen, there are so many fake subscribers out there. They may send bots to your channel to be clicking any of your videos and be getting a lot of views. Okay, maybe they will do that for a period of 1 month. That time they have collected their money. Then, in terms of subscribers, they'll have fake accounts. Come and subscribe to your account. Oh God. Okay, they will have a lot of fake accounts. They will come and be subscribing to your channel to grow your channel. At the end, you may end up having maybe 20,000 subscribers or 50,000 subscribers. But when you publish a new video, you find out that nobody's watching. Before you know, your channel will start dying down. You have 20,000 subscribers. But after 48 hours of publishing a content, you hardly get up to 300 or 200 views. That should send a signal to you. So I don't want you to fall prey to these guys. Don't fall prey to them. They are doing a lot of dirty job. Most of them, they are doing a lot of dirty job. All right? See, listen. They will even promise you that you make over $1,000 once they do that in every month. I have analyzed so many successful subscribers on this YouTube journey. I'm not talking about the popular ones. I'm talking about those that are not popular yet. Every month they earn more than $1,000 from YouTube AdSense. Some of them have worked so hard. That's number one thing. Some of them have stayed on the channel, on the platform for more than 6 years. YouTube is not TikTok, it's not Instagram, where you publish something today and it goes viral. It's not even Amazon KDP, whereby you can publish a book today, tomorrow you have made sales. Yes, YouTube takes time. The content you publish today, this content I'm creating today, may not pick up today, but after 2 years, or after a year, or after 6 months. That's how the codes that run the platform is structured. First, once you publish a content, they may display it to so many audience for the first 48 hours. After that, it slows down. If you are lucky, it may pick up again after 7 days. If you're not, it may stay calm for a period of 6 months plus, 1 year, 2 years, maybe after 3 years. At that point, that title and the description and so many other things that make it up, the tags, have fully been indexed in YouTube search engine and Google search engine. Before you know, you have over 250,000 views, 1 million views on the content. Many beginners don't know about this. So take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. They're there for their money. The disturbance have been too much, and that's why I want to talk about it because for the past 3 months now, I have gotten so many, more than 12 appeals from these guys. I want to help you grow your channel. I want to help you get subscribers. At the point I got mad at one, I told him, if you think it's easy, go and create your channel, your own channel. Okay? And then apply your own expertise in search engine optimization to grow your own channel. Stop disturbing me. Once sometimes they come through my Facebook account and sometimes they come through my WhatsApp. Yes. So once I see that chat, I look at the profile, it's not a face I know, I'll say, what do you want? Go and rest. Go and rest. Don't disturb me. You guys are disturbing me. I say I don't need your service. Go. So please be mindful of that. If they come to you as a beginner, as a small YouTube channel, please kick them. Kick them, please. You don't need them. All right. So I will direct you on how you can optimize the contents the right way. Okay. I want to talk about another danger in listening to these self-proclaimed search engine optimization experts. Some of them can be hackers. If you give them access to your YouTube channel, they can hack your YouTube channel and your YouTube channel becomes theirs. So don't make that mistake. All right, don't try it because it takes a lot to build content on this platform. It takes a lot. So you wouldn't like to throw away what you have been working on for the past years. No, it wouldn't make sense. Don't give them that chance. Let them be. Okay? Let them be. Stay here, keep grinding, keep dishing out contents. You see, currently I have over 500 videos on this channel. If it gets to 530 within a space of a year plus. Some of these videos have not reached the maximum efficiency because they are yet to be fully indexed on the search engine. All right, on YouTube's fast search engine and also on Google search engine because content you're creating here is not being found through Google alone. Sorry, it's not being found through YouTube alone. It is found through by Google as well. So in fact, I get more views from Google than I do with YouTube. So by the time they are fully indexed, you see the views come. That time I might have stayed here for more than 3 years plus. Okay. Then the money will still come also. Don't rush it. Take your time, please. Just take your time. You'll get there. All right. So when that money start coming like this, be like, how? Wow. So this is something I've been working for over the years. Your content, that's why sometimes you search something on YouTube, you see content that have been published over 6 years ago, pop up. Because at that point, the content has established authority on the search engine and in Google. All right, so relax, take your time, please, don't rush. Okay, now let me guide you on how you can optimize your content. How you can make it rank, how you can be convinced that everything is in place. I'll use a title to give an example. Take for example, I write a content. I want to publish a video on how to use Microsoft Word. Okay, in the first paragraph in the description, ensure that you mention that same title. So in the description, I may start like this. In this video tutorial, learn how to use Microsoft Word application. You see, so I've integrated the title, the major title. So it's a key. It will help you to rank. So when you want to rank on Google search engine, that's one thing you should know to get optimized on Google search engine. Your title needs the major content of your title needs to be mentioned in the description. Then you start describing more. All right. Maybe in the video tutorial, you talked about how to make some text broad. And you know, people search how to make some text broad in Google search engine or on YouTube search. You have to still integrate it as well in your description. Highlight some areas that are being taught in the video without you exposing everything. All right. So if you want to know maybe some words or some phrases that are being searched in that particular title, get to your Google Chrome, all right, or your Microsoft Edge browser. Then place it in incognito mode and start searching a particular keyword. All right. For example, take for example, I want to search how to add watermarks on Microsoft Word. I'll be typing. As I'm typing that and it's being suggested to me, people search for that. So it's a good thing to have in the description of your YouTube video. Okay? But ensure that what you're having, the phrases you're adding there as you're describing, is contained in the main video so that you don't run into a problem with Google, right? With YouTube. Okay? Very important. All right. Then another thing you need to do is install vidIQ browser extension. It's a guide. Yes, vidIQ browser extension. It will help you. So when it gets to the tax area of your YouTube video, it will help you as you are typing. So first, start with the keywords with some words that make up the title. For example, the example I give on how to use Microsoft Word. Okay, my tag should have how to one tag, Microsoft Word, another tag, Microsoft, another tag, Word, another tag. I getting it. So mention these keywords, these major words first. Then after that, you start combining phrases. And then to get the remaining part of it, get to Rapid Tax website. All right. When you get to Rapid Tax website, enter the main title. It will suggest some tax for you. A lot. It's AI tool, so you do that automatically for you. Then you copy. If there's some that it suggests that is not in line, then delete that. Simple. So when you do all these things neatly, come on, you're good to go. You're good to go. Nobody should come and tell you there's SEO experts. Okay? Stay away from them. Let them go and deceive those they want to deceive and not you. Okay? So with this, you'll be good. You'll be good to do your thing. Okay? You'll be good to rank your channel and also use the end screen. Okay? Use the end screen to suggest your other videos because sometimes, most times, YouTube rank videos based on the number of views they have accumulated. If, for example, I'm trying to create or publish a video on how to use Microsoft Word at the end, and I have a video on how to use Excel already on my channel, I can say at the end to learn on how to use Microsoft Excel. Watch this video. So I have that video on how to use Excel at the end screen. Okay, so by the time people click on that video, they will still watch. That's another way YouTube optimize videos. Okay, so by the time your video is getting more views, they will know that it's relevant. People like the video, people like to watch that kind of content. Okay, so with this, I believe I have taught you something good today on how to avoid potential scammers on the platform and do your optimization yourself. Don't be fooled, all right? Don't let anybody spoil your channel for you, damage your channel for you, all right? Grow, okay? So here we talk about technology, YouTube education, we talk about self-publishing, how to use mobile phones, and how to use computers. So there are lots you can learn from this channel. So subscribe and learn as much as you can. All right. Hit that like button so that YouTube will know that this content is valuable. If you don't do that, there's no how they will know. Please hit it before leaving. It's very important to me. Okay, so leave a comment. If you have had experience with these guys, just leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know. Okay, or you have another thing you want to ship in based on what I said in this video, you're free to talk to me. All right, you're free to talk to me and talk to others that will come across this video. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate. Okay, watch this video to learn how to get more watch hours and views on your YouTube channel. Thank you and see you some other time.